Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video I'm quickly going to be showing you how you can go through the step-by-step KYC liveness verification on the Cpen network. It is very important for everyone to do this exercise because it poses a very risky something on your account if you fail to do this KYC verification. It's like you are trying to redo your KYC on the Cpen network. So if you come right here, you can see that they have said here that action required. Your KYC will be revoked if you do not complete the liveness check. Please update your app to version 1.3.2 or the letter to complete the liveness verification and keep your KYC. This is the old version of the Cpen that I am currently in, and that is why if you come over to the KYC right here and click on it, you are going to see that KYC is a mandatory process for token distribution. And well, that message has gone, but if you look at it right now, it shows that my verification is completed, but it is not actually completed. I'm going to show you now. Come over to this section again. Remember, don't forget to mine, and also come over here to load your ink tokens, because that's what we are currently mining. What you need to do is also come over to this section right here, and then you are going to come over here. You can see that they made this post yesterday. They said, "Hi Cpen community, we have just released a new update to the Cpen app on both the App Store and the Google's Play. So this version introduces an upgrade KYC liveness verification to better protect the network. All users, all it means excluding nobody, must complete this step to maintain their KYC status. The stronger protection against fake account, bots, deep fakes and device farms. Please update your app to version 1.3.2. Well, I've already shared this with you. So now what we need to do is this: head over to your Google Play Store, and then on the search bar, just go ahead and search for Cpen, and then this is it right here. So you just go ahead, click on update. So you wait for it to quickly update, and once it has updated, now before we go into that, remember this is like redoing your KYC. So if you fail to do this, just know that you don't have any KYC on the Cpen network. So you click on open. So once you click on open, now we have updated our app. So the next thing we're gonna do is come over to the KYC function here right now, and then once we click on it, you can see something now like this. Look at what they have given us now. Action required: verify your KYC. We have enhanced our security. Please complete a quick phase verification. KYC is required to protect tokens distribution. Please complete verification to receive your tokens. So before you start, please make sure. So these are the things that you need to make sure before you start anything. Now you are all in a well-lit environment. So you are in a well-lit area. So have a clear background. Make sure that your internet connection is very stable so that it won't fail. Now before you come over to this page, now why am I seeing my page is like this? My page is like this. You see that I can continue. So if before you come over here, there are some conditions that you'll be able to meet before you'll be able to give this KYC verification. So, and that one of it is that you need to mine at least 10 days consecutively, non-stop, without skipping any date. So without skipping any day. So if you skip any day, you will have to restart again. So that's one of the first conditions. You must mine for 10 days straight, non-stop. So the second criteria is that you must be actively mining as at the time of the doing of the KYC. So if you look at mine, I've already fulfill all of those conditions, and that's why you can see continue right here. If you have not fulfilled, you won't see this continue right here. So now I can now go ahead and complete my KYC by simply coming over to the continue right here. So once you click on continue, you can see KYC. I confirm that the identity used for this KYC will be the only one associated with this account and cannot be changed later. So that information is clearly stated for you to know. So click on continue, and then once you click on continue, you can see select your location, your country and state helps us comply with the regulations. So let's go ahead Where's our beautiful country, beautiful in the world? So we do that, and then we click on continue. And then once you click on continue, you can see face liveness check, use even lighting. It means that no too dark or too bright area, so make sure that it's evenly lit, not high, not too much light and no less light. Keep your face centered in the oval and hold the phone steady. It means don't be shaking your phone. Follow the on-screen prompts. This takes about 10 seconds. So we go ahead and click on the liveness check, and then allow your camera, and then make sure that your face is at the center of the circle. So and then you click on start video checks, and then they say your hand is, make sure your hand is steady. They say move closer, so I will move closer. They say I should hold it still, so don't shake your hand. It's verifying, and then you can see verification completed. So congratulations, your ID has been verified. You have successfully completed your KYC. So very simple. So that's how you can go ahead and complete your liveness check on the Cpen app, and I just thought of sharing that with the community. So please, before I go, if you're new into my YouTube channel, or if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell, because in this channel we keep tracking the tokens and making sure that we update our community to get it right. So that'll be all for now. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.